How to pay PayPal to Payoneer. So need to move money from PayPal into Payoneer. Here's how you can do that. So go ahead and log into Payoneer. Go to Global Payment Service and copy your USD receiving account details. Now once you have that, go ahead and open up PayPal. So once you're signed into your PayPal account, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top left of your screen, and then once you click on it, you should find wallet under this section. So click on that, and then on the wallet section you should find all of the payment methods you currently have on PayPal, and then select link a card, and then go ahead and add your Payoneer USD account details, select checking account, and save. PayPal will send 2 small deposits, so check Payoneer, then confirm the amounts in PayPal to verify. Once verified, you can transfer PayPal funds into Payoneer. From Payoneer, withdraw to your local bank or use the Payoneer card. And that is how to pay PayPal to Payoneer.